Well, let's have another look at the killer Cutlass and see what's going on with it. Not a whole lot, nothing done to the outside, but you can get a look at the floorboard. Just pour 15 the whole floorboard. It was getting a little rusty. Also, you can get a better look at the roll bar, which I tried to show you before, but the doors were locked, so now the doors are not locked. Anyways, we'll walk around to the other side. Where everybody went. Everybody disappeared. So I guess that's a good time to start filming. Nobody wants to be on camera anyways, but there's some cans of pour 15. Take a look inside here. Hopefully, maybe hopefully, I'll get the S10 over to the track here and you might be able to take this over. I don't know what his plans are, but you can see what it runs. Since it's been sitting for who knows how long. Still needs to put up on the lift and I can show up in the wheel wells. Can't really see much back in here. You can kind of see where it's been welded across there. Like I say, the wheel wells, that's the only place that kind of bothers too much is down in there. Where you have to pie cut it back in here. Right now it's just kind of beat over. I think you might want to put some paint on in there, I don't know. Yeah, we'll go around this way. Sun's about in the just right to be wrong spot to look at it. Probably get a bunch of glare here. That's the killer Cutlass.